Zeng Industrial LLC is a subsidiary of Zeng Industrial Co. Limited in Taiwan. It was founded in 2005 in the Vietnam-Singapore Industrial Park of Binh Duong Province in Vietnam. After years of sustained growth, Zeng Industrial LLC has become the main base for domestic sewing machine production. Zeng Group is now the global leading manufacturer of the household sewing machines in the world. To fulfill the demand of a greater production capacity, in 2014, our second factory was established in the Vietnam-Singapore Industrial Park 2 to begin manufacturing in tandem with the first. These factories provide greater massive production capability to strengthen Zeng's ability for future challenge. Zeng's Taiwan headquarters was established in 1968. The group is now able to be producing more than 3 million domestic sewing machines annually. In December 2014, Zeng had successfully launched its IPO on the Taiwan stock market and further consolidate its important role in global domestic sewing machine business. Zeng LLC did not only acquire ISO 9001 certificate in 2006, but it was also certificated by SA 8000 standard in 2012. In 2015, we again obtained ISO 14001 certification for its environmental management system, as well as OHSAS 18001 for occupational health and safety certification. We value our laborers, continue to improve the condition of our working environment to meet local labor, environmental laws, and human rights requirements, and to guarantee our employees the best of working rights. Zeng Group actively tailored its global production strategy. In 2005, we constructed our first Vietnam factory. In 2007, Zeng Precision LLC was established in Vietnam. Zeng Industrial LLC's first factory is having an area of 16,000 square meters, and the second factory is up to 80,000 square meters. The main production is for domestic mechanical sewing machines, with 24 production lines, which can reach 300,000 units production capacity per month. In our second factory, besides its beautiful administrative office building, now the three sections offer the ability to process die casting, machining along with the assembly in one united channel with mass production autonomy in order to fulfill our global market demand. The first section of our second factory is responsible for the assembly line, injection molding, printing, raw material storage, and quality control center and other production facilities. In 2015, we increased our assembly lines from 13 to 16 lines, which allow an annual production capacity of up to 2.4 million units. Compared to our first factory, that's an increase of 600,000 units per year. The injection molding shop currently has 37 units of injection molding machines. The tooling area is consisting of electrical discharge machines, drilling machines, lathes, grinders, and other necessary equipments. The printing area is designed for screen printing lines, half-tone printing room, and a storage room for screen printing stencils. In 2015, the second factory will have 3 screen printing lines, which is 1 line more than the first factory, and introduce more printing equipments from 12 to 15 units. The first section is also designed to have advanced raw materials keeping along with reserve areas for future ASRS purposes. It allows a precise and sufficient supply for our production needs. In addition to having complete production line equipments, Zeng LLC also pays special attention to quality inspections. In our first section of the second factory, we also built up a noise test chamber and purchased the needed measuring equipments, such as penetrometers and a reliability testing laboratory to ensure the quality of our products. Container parking area for containers is also expanded from 10 containers to 18. The warehouse space for finished goods is also increased from the capacity of 80,000 units to 180,000 units. Our second factory has added facilities for CNC machining, which our first factory did not contain. In 2015, we expect to introduce more machining equipments from 7 sets, 35 units of machining machines, to 12 sets, 60 units. The annual production capacity can reach 2.3 million sets. Meanwhile, the third section of our second factory also added extra facilities for die casting and grinding process, which our first factory did not have. 2 new die casting machines will be put into our production line, so a total of 3 die casting machines will increase our production output to 2.43 million units in 2015. Also, the existing 5 production lines for grinding process will add another new line to boost our production capacity up to 2.16 million units per year. A rainwater collected system is also introduced into the new factory. A pool of 1,300 tons capacity of water was built for rainwater collecting. After treatment, the rainwater can be recycled for further use. We continue to contribute a better ecosystem for our Mother Earth. The new Vietnam factory has enhanced Zeng Hsing's consistent production ability. The flexible and mass production capability can let Zeng Hsing precisely and sufficiently supply our products to global customers. Zeng Hsing consistently takes care of the welfare of our employees. The second Vietnam factory features dormitories with comforts. The dorm for our guests and senior managers has 3 stories, consists of 19 VIP rooms, and a total number of 61 rooms. Another 2 dorms for our staff provides a total number of 114 rooms, which allows the accommodation of more than 600 staff to make them work in worry-free quarters and a warm, comfortable living space. A bright and spacious cafeteria is also provided and is capable of providing meals for 1,500 employees. The facility boasts a highly sanitary kitchen, which offers healthy and delicious meals, with varieties for our employees. We also offer facilities in the living quarters such as karaoke, a football field, badminton courts, basketball courts, golf driving range, and so on. We also hold annual sports competition among our staffs. This innovative approach is to provide our employees a space for physical training to keep a healthy mind and body, restore their vigor, and help them to relax from daily work pressure. We hope our employees can have a balanced life between their work and family and keep energetic in the long run. On May 13, 2014, a serious riot in Vietnam had affected a significant number of Taiwanese companies. Factories were destroyed, and production were forced to be shut down. We were also affected, and our first factory was damaged seriously due to the arson by villains. However, we overcame the difficulties with great confidence on the people in this land, and rebuilt all necessary facilities in a short time, and swiftly restored all the production operations by our tough company spirits and vitality. Zeng Hsing Group is established firstly in Taiwan and implants deeply in Vietnam for further growth. We are now putting great effort in making Vietnam to be our largest production base of domestic sewing machines. For our future strategy, our employees and customers are still playing very important roles as our backstage driving forces and navigators. We value our customers and our staffs and believe it will create a win-win situation for all sides.